This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Stephen Schultz. This stunning residence has undergone $20,000 in renovations, including a roof concession for 2025. The home features a complete upgrade of the CPVC water pipe system in 2021, a full remodel of all 3 bathrooms in 2022, and a new electrical panel installed in 2023. Nestled on a spacious lot with breathtaking lakefront views, the thoughtfully designed split floor plan includes a generous master suite with a walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bathroom equipped with dual vanities and a large shower. The open concept kitchen, accentuated by a quartz center island and breakfast bar, flows effortlessly into the formal living room, dining area, and family room. For more information, review the details.